First of all, what is a noun? Raise your hand. I'll unmute you. Habib has raised his hand. I'm going to give him a chance. Yes, Habib. Unmute yourself, Habib. Zaid Momin also has raised his hand. Habib, okay. Can you hear me? Okay. I think Habib I can't reach. Yes, Zaid. What is a noun? Unmute yourself and answer.
A noun is a person, a place, a thing, or an animal.
Amazing, amazing. Spot on, okay. Noun is the name of a person, place, or animal. Perfect. Okay. Now tell me, what is a common noun? Common noun क्या होता है? Soumya Didi has done this with you guys. And I have also done in the past. Common noun क्या होता है? What is common noun? Raise your hand and I will give you a chance. Common noun. Okay, Zaid Momin is raising his hand. Okay, Zaid has already answered once. Anybody else who wants to answer? Samir, common noun क्या होता है? I'm going to unmute you. Try and answer. Then I will give the chance to Rifa. Yes, Samir. What is a common noun, Samir? Okay, Samir does not want to answer. I'm going to give the chance
Faizan is
to Rifa.
answering on the group. Thank you,
Okay.
Faizan, for answering.
Okay. Faizan, that refers to people, animal, things in general, not specific. Correct. Good job. That is the correct answer. All right. When Rifa, you wanted to explain a little more. Rifa, you want to give an example of a common noun? Yes, Rifa.
Common noun example. Boy, girl.
Yes. Amazing, amazing. Boy, girl. Okay, give me one more. You're doing good, Rifa.
Dog.
Talk, dog. Yeah, dog. Correct. Amazing. So these are very common noun. मतलब कुछ specific is not there here. Okay. All right. Now let's talk about proper noun. Good job, Rifa. Thank you so much for sharing your answer. I am going to ask people to tell me what is proper noun. Proper noun क्या होता है? Someone has raised the hand. I think it's Mehek. I'm unmuting you. Yes. Tell me.
A proper noun is a noun that identifies a particular person, place, animal, or things. Proper nouns begin with a capital letter. Example: Sabha, Muskan, India, Mumbai.
Arzumis.
Perfect. Ekdam perfect. Who's talking? I can't hear.
Arzumis.
Yes, yes. Yes, Habib.
Miss, I am leaving the class.
Okay, Habib, it's okay. Take care of yourself and please go and see a dentist or a doctor, okay? Bye.
Bye.
Okay. All right, guys. So Habib is leaving because his feet is aching a lot, okay? Okay, now let's move on. So Mehek said proper noun is something that is specific. For example, Muskan, Sabah, Mantasha, Shifa, Huzaif, okay? These are proper nouns, okay? Now I'm going to ask you two things, okay? Taj Mahal, is it a proper noun or is it a common noun? Anybody raise your hand? Common noun or proper noun? Taj Mahal. Okay, Gulnar has raised her hand. I'm going to give the chance to Gulnar. Gullu, Taj Mahal, proper noun or common noun? Yes.
दीदी मैं अभी आई तो जो स्क्रीन में दिख रहा है आपकी फोटो दिख रहे हैं.
Okay, okay, ठीक है. So Gullu, just pay attention, okay? We are just revising that has been done in the past. जो पहले किया था बस उसको revise कर रहे हैं. All right, Sabah, thank you so much for answering. Thank you so much, Faizan, for answering. Thank you. Shifa for answering. That's the correct answer. Okay. All right. Yes, Misbah. Tell me.
Taj Mahal is a proper noun.
Amazing. It's a proper noun क्योंकि वो एक specific उसके ताजमहल जैसा कोई दूसरा है नहीं. Okay. Tajmahal is only one. Okay. Soumya Didi is only one. Shifa is only one. So these are all proper nouns. Okay. Now, if I'm telling Malvani, Malvani is a proper noun or a common noun? Huzef. Huzef, I'm unmuting you. Unmute yourself and tell me Malvani is a proper noun or a common noun?
Didi, common noun, proper noun.
Proper noun. Amazing. Thank you so much for answering. Thank you, Suzanne, for answering. That's the correct answer. Okay. One last one. Okay. Dinosaur. Proper noun or common noun? Yes, Mantasha. Mantasha, I'm unmuting you. Yes.
Proper noun.
Proper noun. Okay. Tell me why do you think it's a proper noun, Mantasha?
क्योंकि डायनासोर का एक पर्सनली नाम है.
पर्सनली नाम है. बहुत सारे डायनासोर नहीं होते, एक ही डायनासोर होता है.
कॉमन नाउन.
Yes, correct. Good job, Mantasha. If I would have said T-Rex dinosaur, then it would have been a proper noun because I'm taking a name. Okay. Aniket, I'm going to unmute you. You have to answer this question. Chocolate. Chocolate. Proper noun or common noun?
Chocolate. Common noun.
Chocolate. Very good. Why, Aniket? Tell me now. Good job, Sabha. You are right, Aniket. That's a common noun. लेकिन why is it common? Common क्यों है?
दीदी ये सब चॉकलेट से अलग है.
अलग है? अलग है कि सेम है?
सेम है.
It's okay. Proper noun क्यों? Because मैंने नाम लिया ना, specific नाम लिया, 5 Star, Dairy Milk. So that becomes proper noun. Okay. Amazing, guys. You all have done an amazing job. Okay, we'll swiftly to today's new topic. ठीक है? Something that we are going to explore today, and that is, can you see my screen, Soumya? I will need your thoda help to understand if they can see my screen or not.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. So, see, we have done proper noun. Arey yaar, these guys are annotating on the screen. Okay. One second, guys. Don't do all of this, Didi. Then it becomes difficult for Didi. Let's move on. Okay. Today we are going to do concrete nouns. Can you see on the screen? Yeah. Okay. So repeat after Didi. Now is your listening time. Okay, listening time. You're going to repeat after Didi. I want to see your lips moving so that I know that you're repeating after me. All right. A concrete noun is a noun. Good job, Ms. Ba. I can see you repeating after Didi. A concrete noun is a noun. Good job, Farzana and Shifa. A concrete noun is a noun which refers to people. Or to things that exist. Good job, Gullu. That exist physically and can be seen. Good job, Muskan. Heard, smell, touch, or tasted. Okay, I will give you time to write, Ms. Ba. At this point, you're just repeating after Didi. Okay, I will give you time to write. Okay, amazing. Concrete noun एक ऐसा नाउन है जिसको हम फिजिकली टच कर सकते हैं, देख सकते हैं, स्मेल कर सकते हैं या टेस्ट कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो a concrete noun. So for example, a dog. Can you touch a dog? Can you see a dog? Yeah, can you see a dog? Amazing. Can you hear when the dog barks? Yes, amazing. All right. Okay. So is it a concrete noun? Yes. Okay. Amazing. Good job, guys. I can see that all of you are responding, which is amazing. Okay. Okay. Now, let's talk about the building. Can you touch the building? Can you touch the building? Yes. Amazing. Can you see the building? Can you see the building? Yeah, you can see the building, right? All right, amazing. So that way it is a concrete noun. It is a concrete noun, right, guys? Okay, now what you're going to do, you're going to take 2 minutes, okay? 2 minutes to quickly write down the definition and the example of concrete noun, okay? Your time starts now. Quickly write this down, okay? Yes, Zaid Momin has raised his hand. Okay, so I think Zaid Momin, are you done? If you're done, you can raise your hand or give me a thumbs up so that I know you're done. Yes, Zaid Momin, I'm unmuting you. Are you done?
No, Didi, I have a question.
Yes, tell me, Zaid. Yes, Zaid, bolo. Hello.
Concrete noun is also known as material noun. Na?
Correct. Very good job. Concrete noun is also known as material noun. ठीक है? Concrete noun का दूसरा नाम है material noun. Guys, if you want, you can also write it there. Concrete के बाजू में आप material भी लिख सकते हो. Okay? The spelling is M-A-T-E-R M-A-T-E-R-I-A-L. Material. Okay, so it can be called as दीदी chat box में भी लिख के भेज रहे हैं. It can also be called as material noun. Thank you so much, Zaid Momin, for bringing that to Didi's notice. Okay, you're very smart. That means you've done your pre-work really well. Okay, all right. So I think I'm going to give you more 30 seconds. जल्दी से लिख दो. Okay, 30 seconds more, guys. And मैंने chat box में भी लिखा है spelling of concrete and material noun. ठीक है, Sameer is done, Vivek is done, Shifa is done, Faizan is done, Aniket is done. Zed, do you have another doubt? Misbah, do you have a doubt? Yes or no? No, you have raised your hand इसके लिए. Thank you so much, Muskan. Sahil Yaqub is done. Okay, Gullu is still writing. I can see her writing. Quickly, guys. Okay, more 30 seconds only. Okay, Faizan is done. Afreen is done. Good job, guys. Shifa is done. All right. Mantasha is writing. I can see. Okay. Yes. Okay, you were just writing the meaning. Okay, Miss But are you done? Voice problem. Vivek, please leave the chat, leave the call and come back again. Leave करो और link वापस से join करो. ठीक है? Are you done, Sahil? Thumbs up दो तो मुझे पता चले. I can't hear you, Sahil. Yes, Sahil, बोलो.
टीचर मेरा कब लिख हो गया था, थम्स अप करा तो
Okay,
देखिए.
thank you. हाँ, देखी. Sorry. Thank you. Yes, Aniket is also done. Soumya, I think people are trying to join in. Can
Yes,
you
yes,
let
I
them
have,
in?
I have done that. I have done that.
Okay, amazing. Thank you. Okay. Okay, Mantasha is also done. Okay, guys, so chalo, let's move on. Okay, I think most of you guys are done, right? Okay, Nausheen has raised her hand. Yes, Nausheen. Okay, you are done. That's why. हो गया इसके लिए. Okay, got it. Mehak is done, and so is Sabah. Okay, now concrete noun क्या था? Remember, all right? Something that you can see, something that you can hear, smell, touch or taste. ठीक है? Physically, हाथ से या फिर आँखों से. Okay. Now what we are going to do is, these are the sentences. I want you to identify the concrete noun in this. Okay, so I am going to read the first question and you have to raise your hand and answer, or personally message me the answer. Okay, personally दीदी को message करो कि answer क्या है, or raise your hand and I will come to you. Okay, I admire the beauty of these beautiful flowers. Now tell me, what is the concrete noun in this? Concrete noun in this. Okay, Sabha has already answered. Sabha, दीदी को personally message करो. Okay. Okay, Mehak has also answered. Okay, Shabista is raising her hand and so is Mantasha. I am going to give it to Mantasha. I am unmuting you. Okay, please answer. Yes. Yes, Mantasha.
Butterfly, flowers,
First wala. I admire the beauty of these beautiful flowers.
flower,
Flowers. Okay, amazing. Correct, guys. That's the right answer. Okay, for all those of you who have answered in the chat box, yes, that is the correct answer. Flowers. Next, my father made a promise that he'll play with me every day. Okay, now tell me, यहाँ पे concrete noun क्या है? Yeah, you guys have to write, but I will give you time to write. Okay. Vivek, I will give you time to write. Right now, you are just solving with Didi. Okay, thank you so much, Misbah. That's the correct answer. Does anybody want to answer? Iram, you want to answer? Okay, Asif, correct answer. Sabah, correct answer. All right. Got it. Okay. So you guys have given father as the answer, which is the correct answer. Soumya, can you take the third one? I'm trying to change my earphone.
Okay. Okay, the third one is Mehak told me stories about her fun vacation. Mehak told me stories about her fun vacation. You have to tell me what is the concrete noun here. Farzana and then Shabista. Yes, Farzana? Yes, Farzana? Arzu, the screen is gone.
Yeah. For a second, give me. Okay, who wants to answer this? Concrete now quickly, Fourth one. I have a great love for rain. Okay, Muskan has raised her hand. I'm going to go to Muskan. Muskan, I'm unmuting you. Yes.
rain, Didi.
Rain. Okay. Good job, Shifa. Good job, Asif. Misbah. Oh my God, Sabah. You guys are killing it. Good job, guys. All right answers. Okay. Yes. Good job, Sabha. Okay, the last one. Zed's dream is to become a doctor. Okay, this one now. Who wants to answer? Zed's dream is to become a doctor. Noshin, you look confused, so I'm going to ask you. Yes, Noshin. Unmute yourself. Yes.
Didi doctor.
Doctor. Okay, good. Doctor also can be one of those. Yes. Can you see? There is one more concrete noun here.
Zed.
Yes, correct. Okay. Good job, guys. Good job. Okay, Gullu, you have said dreams. Baba, dreams ko can you see? You can see the dreams, no, Gullu? But can you touch it? Can you smell it? If you can't touch or smell it, या physically तुम उसके पास नहीं जा सकते, so that will not be the concrete noun. Okay, got it? All right. Good job, guys. I can see my personal chat has flooded with the right answer. Misbah, Faizan, Asif, Shifa, all of you, Sabah, you all have given the right answer. Zed, amazing. Okay, now what you're going to do is you're going to take quickly 2 minutes to write all of these questions down. Okay. Soumya, last time we had made them write the question.
Yes, yes, with the answers.
Okay, amazing. So quickly write down the questions. 2 minutes.
Also, if you go to the next slide, the answers are underlined, so they'll know what to.
Yeah, I'm doing. I think somebody wants to come on. Okay. See, guys, can you see? Okay, the answer is also underlined. Quickly write down. Okay, 2 minutes. Good job, Faizana. Good job, Noshi, Muskan. I can see you guys writing. Good job, Misbah, Iram, Sifa, Mantasha, Habib. Habib is back. I hope you're feeling better, Habib. Sahil Yaqub, Aniket. Amazing. The rest of you, I can't see you, but I'm sure you guys are writing. Aniket is done. लिख के हो गया Aniket? Okay, amazing. If you're done, guys, give me a thumbs up, okay? So I know that you are done. Or raise your hand. Either of the two. Or you can write in the chat box that you're done. We have to write the whole sentence. Yes, Iram, you have to write the whole sentence. Okay, Sameer is done. Okay, thank you, Sameer. Faizan, you've raised your hand. That means you're done. Okay. Okay, Gullu is also done. Amazing. Thank you, Gullu. Guys, we'll take more 30 seconds. Okay, done. Videsh is also done. Thank you, Videsh. Thank you, Sahil Yaqub. 5 minutes, Mantasha. No. Try to complete as soon as much as you can. Fatafat, okay? I'll give you one more minute. क्या हुआ मंजिता? I'm unmuting you. Talk to Didi. What happened?
नौशीन अभी आई है इसलिए उसको भी लिखना है.
Okay, okay. So what you can do, Mantisha, is for now just ask her to wait. You can give your notebook later on and she can copy. Okay? You quickly write down and then later on you share your notebook with Nausheen. Hi, Nausheen. Welcome to class. Okay, Gullu, voice problem. Soumya, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Yeah. Okay, Gullu, if you can't hear Didi, leave the call and join again. Okay. Faizan is done. Amazing. Yes, Gullu, I know. Oh, Mehak is done. Mehak Khan is done. It's okay. As if disconnect ho gaya tha, we just have to write these 5 questions. Okay. And underline the concrete noun. Yes, I'll give you 1 extra minute. Quickly try to do it. Okay. Or else screenshot this thing and keep it in your phone and then later copy. Okay, Huzef has a doubt. Okay, Huzef, 1 second. Yes, Huzef. I have unmuted Huzef.
आरजू दीदी, माहिमा को मैं कितनी देर से इंतजार कर रहा हूँ पर माहिमा नहीं आई है.
It's okay. मैं माहिमा की मम्मी से बात करके we'll start her class from tomorrow. Okay, Huzef?
Yes.
Thank you for informing. Yes. Guys, more 30 seconds. If you're still not done, it is okay. You can take a screenshot of this screen and later copy it. Network problem. Okay, Nausheen. Try to leave the call and try again to join. Afreen is done. Okay, amazing. Thank you. Shifa is done. Okay. Yes, Aniket is also done. All right, guys, more 30 seconds. Okay, Farzana is also done. Amazing. Misbah is also done. Mehak someone has raised a hand. Okay, Shabista is done. Basharat is also done. Mehak Khan is also done. Nausheen is raising her hand. Wait a second. Yes, Nausheen, I'm going to unmute you. Tell me, what happened? Are you done? That's why you're raising your hand? Misbah, are you done? That's why you're raising your hand? You have a doubt? No. Okay. All right. Okay. Sahil Yaqub is done. Okay. Cool. Guys, okay. So we will move on. Okay. So now we were talking about concrete noun. There is also one more kind of noun that we will talk about. Soumya, can you give me a time check?
Yes, it's 2:45. 15 minutes
2:55.
smaller.
Okay, cool. So we will do one more kind of noun, okay? And that is, can you see on the screen? You're going to repeat after Didi, okay? An abstract noun. An abstract noun. Good job, Iram. I can see you are repeating after Didi. An abstract noun is a noun very good, which refers to ideas, qualities. वहाँ पे क्वालिटीज में एन नहीं आना चाहिए, वो गलती से हो गया है. ओके, आइडियाज, क्वालिटीज एंड कंडीशंस. Abstract nouns names things which cannot be seen, heard, touched, smelled or tasted. Okay. So abstract noun is basically an idea that you may have, a quality that you have, or a condition that you are in. Okay? It cannot be touched. Like concrete noun, you can touch, feel, see, hear. But यहाँ पे abstract noun is the opposite. Here you cannot see, you cannot hear, you cannot smell, you cannot touch, you cannot taste. Okay? Now, for example, there is love. Okay? Can you feel the love? Yes, correct. But can you touch it? Can you touch love? Can you see love? Can you smell love? Can you taste love? No, right? Because love is an abstract noun. Okay, the same way happiness. Okay, happiness is also example, some sort of feeling, correct, Tiram. Okay, happiness is something that you can feel, but can you touch? Can you smell? Can you taste? None of that, right? So it is called an abstract noun. Okay, guys, I'm going to give you 2 minutes to quickly write this down. Okay, 2 minutes. Your time starts now. Once you're done, give me a thumbs up or type in the chat that you are done. Okay, amazing. I can see Musba writing. I can see Sahil Yaqub writing. I can see Gullu start writing. Habib, I can see Habib is writing. I can see Mantasha is writing. Amazing. I can see Vijay is writing. Muskan is writing. Idam is writing. Shifa is writing. Gullu has started writing. Samir is already done. Good job. Nasreen is writing. Vivek is also done. Amazing. Good job. Mehak Khan is also done. Good job, guys. Basharat is also done. Good job. Farzana is also done. Faizan is also done. Amazing. Good job. Shifa has raised her hand. Shifa, are you done? That's why you raised your hand? Or you have a doubt? Doubt? I'm unmuted.
दीदी आपकी आवाज क्लियर नहीं आ रही, थोड़ा जोर से बोलेंगे?
अभी आ रही है?
Yes.
Amazing. Okay. Thank you, Shifa. Thank you so much, Asif, Afreen, Farzana. You guys are done. Okay. Aniket is also done. Okay. Muskan is also done. Wow, this was quick. You guys have done a good job. 30 seconds more, Habib. Jaldi likho. Gullu, 30 seconds more. Nasreen is also done. Hang your speakers in ears. Faizan, the speaker is too heavy to be hung on my ears. I am faster than you. Of course, Asif. You're the fastest, Baba. I wish this was a little more big so I could have hung it around my neck. I'm your boss. No, I'm not your boss, Asif. Okay, done. Gullu is also done. Okay, chalo guys. Now I think everybody is done mostly. Mantasha, how many? 10 seconds. 10 seconds more, okay? Oh my God, Asif. I don't need your countdown. Okay, amazing. I think most of you guys are done. So let's move on, okay, to examples. Now you guys are going to tell me what is an abstract noun. Okay. The first one, I admire the beauty of these beautiful flowers. Now tell me, either you are going to personally message me the answer, either you're going to raise your hand and wait for me to give you the chance to answer. Okay, guys? Okay. I admire. By you can eat your food while you are also listening to me. Okay, you can Okay. Next time, please try to eat your food and come. Okay, Baba. I admire the beauty of these beautiful flowers. Guys, abstract noun. Which one? Samir is raising his hand and I'm going to give him a chance to answer. Sahil Yakub also knows. Wow. Samir, yes. Samir, I am unmuting you. Yes, answer. Good job, Sabah. Yes, Samir. Unmute करो खुद को. Yes, good job. Samir. Okay. All right, guys, a lot of you have written beauty. I want to ask you, is it a quality? Beauty is a quality? See, यहाँ पे sorry, oh God. यहाँ पे definition में, yeah, यहाँ पे definition में it either has to be an idea, a quality, or a condition. Guys, beauty is an idea. Is it an idea? No. Right? Is it a quality? Is it a quality? No. Okay. It is not even a condition. So do you think beauty is an abstract noun? No. There is a different abstract noun in the sentence. Okay. Some of you have answered. Faizan, you are right. Sabba, you are right. Okay. I know, Baba, this is a little tricky for you, but we will do this together. Okay. God. I don't know what is happening. Gullu. Okay. Okay, can you guys see it? I'm so sorry. Yeah.
You're on concrete nouns.
Abhi? Yeah.
Yes.
My father made a promise that he'll play with me every day. Iram. Yes. Unmuting.
Promise.
Correct. Okay, promise. Good job, guys. Okay, promise. All right. Mehak told me stories about her fun vacation. Raise your hand or give me a thumbs up. Okay, Gullu has. Good job, Misbah, Faizan, Shifa. Mandasha is raising her hand. I'm going to give her a chance to answer. Yes. Yes, Mandasha. No, we don't have to write. Just Didi will give you a chance to write. Yes, Mandasha. Can't hear you, Mandasha. Fun. Okay. Okay. Does anybody have a different answer than fun? Habib, you have raised your hand. Okay, I'm going to come to Habib. Yes, Habib. Unmute yourself and answer. What do you think? कंडीशन?
कंडीशन
कोई कंडीशन है?
यस
Vacation is a condition. Guys have sent me the answers. You have said stories. Okay. I have a great love for rain. The fourth one. I have a great love for rain. So many raised of hands. I'm going to give one of you the chance to answer. Okay, Faizan, that's the correct answer. Shifa, that's the correct answer. My God. Muskan, that's the correct answer. Misbah, that's the correct answer. Farzana, that's the correct answer. I feel all of you are just sending out answer. Okay, so yes, love is the right answer. I have a great love for rain. Good job, guys. Okay, now the fifth one. I'm waiting for you to write your answers in the chat box and send me personally. Yes, good job, Misbah. Good job, Iram. Good job. Asif, I want you to write the answer. Good job, Shifa. That's the correct answer. All right, guys. So you all are right. Okay. The answer. Okay. Now we are going to. Good job, Sabah. Good job. Okay. Now what you're going to do is you're going to quickly write all the answers along with the questions. Your time starts now. You have 2 minutes. 2 minutes, guys. Quickly. Good job, Farzana. Actually, if you write the answer for these questions, and then I think we will close. Okay? Mantisha is raised hand. Okay, thank you so much, Afreen. Afreen is done. Yes, Asif, 5 minutes more and then you can leave. Okay, quickly copy these questions down. Asif, both are equally important. Dada joined. Yeah, Dada joined. Wait, we'll unmute Dada. Hello, Dada. Unmuting you.
Hi, Shavista sent me the link and I thought maybe she wants me to join. That is why she sent me the link. Oh my God, Shavista, where are you? So cute. Hi, guys. Just came to say hi in between the class.
I know,
Love you
Asif.
guys.
बस और 2 मिनट फटाफट लिखो ना, तुम ऐसे चैट क्यों कर रहे हो?
Hi guys. Hi Asif. Oh, I'll just say hi to everybody once, okay? I love you guys so much. Hi Arzu. Hi Soumya. Hi Vivek. Hi Sabah. With all your pretty smileys. Hi Iram Zoya. Hi Afreen. Hi शिफा. हमारे चाइना से आए हुए फैजान and खुशी. Hi guys. I'm so happy to see you guys studying.
Done. Joseph is also done. Okay, I guess most of you are done. I'm going to stop the screen share quickly. Okay. So guys, today we learned 2 new nouns. Okay, with proper noun and common noun. We also learned concrete noun and abstract noun. Okay. What you're going to do is revise all these 4 nouns. Didi will send you worksheet post-work mein. You will try to identify both concrete and abstract noun in the sentences. Okay. All right. Okay, with that, I'm going to unmute you all so that you can say bye to each other, and I'll see you in the closing.
Bye.
Bye
Bye,
bye.
Swadhi.
Bye. 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 Bye.